Updating your email address on Expedia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Account Information. Click on this to view your current email address and other details. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your email address. Delete the old email and enter your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is updated in the system. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia's customer support for assistance.